Most important thing about this particular course is it's a practical learning experience. So there is a lot of theory and a lot of how-to, but when it comes to the 6 days of the course, the main thing we want to do is have people pick up the tools and do the work. So it's physical, but it's learning through doing.
It's a good combination of learning the craft, learning the tools, but as well learning how to think about approaching problem solving, which is really what I was missing. It's very intimidating when you start a project, you don't know where to start, you don't know if you're facing a problem, how to think about the problem, and I think that hands-on experience was extremely useful.
I found it very good when I heard about it that you're using recycled material because, as I'm very conscious about the environment and also the climate, I find it great that you're using recycled material.
I need to collect all of the materials secondhand, try to get them for free as well. So we have people who know about our course and they are willing to donate, they stay in touch with me. Otherwise I'll be on Gumtree, Facebook Marketplace, sourcing free materials. If I know there's a demolition happening, I'll be at the site asking them if I can pick up some timber. So a lot of old framing, preferably a pine or like Oregon. They also have to collect second-hand windows and doors. There's just so many people renovating in Sydney that I always just seem to find just what we need. Cladding is fairly easy. A lot of it is corrugated roofing. So we use that for the roof as well as some of the side cladding. We do try to incorporate a bit of timber cladding as well, which you mightn't think, but it actually adds a bit of weight, but it just looks a bit nicer.
The best thing about the course that I find is that underneath all the learning, the nuts and the bolts and the screws and the tiny house stuff it's empowering to individuals. So at the end of it, they come out, maybe they can't remember everything that's been said during the course, but they have a sense of, I can do it. So it's that empowering people to go from oh, that's too big, to I can do it.
For me, just getting straight into tool inductions, getting straight on the power tools, I think that just gave everyone a real sense of confidence to just get stuck in.
When I first thought about it, it's going to be so far beyond my reach, but I think the guys have actually brought it down to various piecemeal bits that we can actually work through and understand how to achieve, how to get through the process, and it's not daunting. I think that the teamwork is great here as well because we've been 12 people thrown together who didn't know each other, but working in different teams has been really good, and working with different people as well because there's always different ways of doing things that sometimes you don't think of yourself.
It's just amazing how a group of strangers comes together so quickly, and I think even from day 2, I think we were sort of just kind of working it out, mucking in, forming little crews and moving around in order to get the job done. So it's been just an amazing sense of collaboration, great instruction, just very empowering.
What I find the best is the whole group is building a house together. So of course it comes with a little bit of challenges because we don't know each other, but for me personally I find it super great to find solutions together and to try things out together and seeing, okay, it's not only one way to do, to fix something or to attach something. There are more ways to do it and learn from each other, so I found it very good.
It felt very daunting, and I think it's just an empowering thing to see, okay, we started with a trailer and we're actually going to get to something that looks like a house by the end of the week.
Oh, it's fantastic. In 4 days, I've gone from, I don't think that's going to chop my finger off, I don't think I can use that, to, yeah, I'll chop that wood, no problem. It's great. It's really fun.